Have you ever thought about starting clean eating? This idea may sound daunting at first, as we often associate it with cutting out favorite foods and completely changing our dietary habits. However, embarking on this journey towards clean eating does not require a drastic lifestyle change. All it demands is to take a series of small, achievable steps that guide us towards the ultimate goal of better health and well-being. One of the primary steps towards clean eating involves shifting from processed foods to whole foods. This does not mean that you have to eliminate all your favorite foods, but rather, you learn to choose healthier alternatives. Gradually, your taste palette will adjust to enjoy the natural flavors of fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Another vital part of this journey is maintaining a balanced diet. It's not about completely avoiding certain food groups, but about understanding the nutritional value of different foods and incorporating a variety into your meals. This helps ensure that your body receives all the necessary nutrients it requires to function optimally. Engaging in regular physical activity is also important, as it complements your dietary changes. Exercise not only helps in maintaining a healthy weight, but it also enhances your mood and energy levels. Hydration is also a crucial part of this process. Consuming an adequate amount of water daily helps in digestion and keeps your skin glowing. It's not just about what you eat, but also what you drink. Remember, embarking on this journey towards clean eating is not about perfection, but about progress. It might seem like a huge undertaking, but really it's about taking many small, manageable steps on a journey to better health and well-being. First and foremost, it's important to understand what clean eating actually is. You might have heard the term clean eating, often thrown around in health and fitness circles. But what does it really mean? Well, clean eating is a lifestyle approach towards food and nutrition that emphasizes the preference for foods that are minimally processed, thereby preserving their natural nutritional benefits. This approach champions the consumption of foods that are in or close to their natural state. Goes beyond just being a diet or a fad. It's about adopting a healthier, more natural approach to what you consume. It's about being more mindful of what you're putting in your body, focusing on the quality of the food you eat rather than simply counting calories. When we talk about clean eating, we're referring to a wide variety of foods, including an abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables. These are not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but are also low in unhealthy fats and sugars. We also refer to lean proteins, which are essential for muscle repair and growth. Whole grains come into the picture as they are rich in fiber and can help keep your digestive system healthy. Then there are the healthy fats, which contrary to belief are actually beneficial for our bodies. They help absorb vital vitamins and protect our heart and brain. Clean eating is not about deprivation, but it's about making better food choices. It's about selecting foods that nourish you from the inside out, contributing to a healthier, fitter you. In essence, this approach to food is all about choosing whole, unprocessed foods that are close to their natural state. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. So, how might one embark on this adventure? The first step is to conduct an audit of what's currently in your kitchen. Every corner, every cabinet, every shelf. Look closely at your food inventory. What see? Are there packets of instant noodles, cereal boxes, and canned soup? Are there frozen meals that get you through lazy days? It's time to really assess these items. These are processed foods, items that have undergone extensive modification to enhance taste or prolong shelf life. They're often laden with artificial preservatives, substances added to delay spoilage, additives, extra elements used to affect food's color, taste, or texture, and sweeteners that are far from natural sugars. Processed foods may be convenient and palatable, but they're far from what your body really needs. They take you on a detour from the path of healthy eating. Now it's time to bid these items farewell. It's time for a change, a transformation towards better health. Instead, you must prepare to embrace a different kind of diet. Imagine your kitchen brimming with fresh fruits, crunchy vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, heart-healthy fats, foods that are as close to their natural state, unprocessed and unmodified, as possible. This is the start of a journey towards a healthier, happier you. So, how might one begin this journey? Start by taking stock of what's already in your kitchen. It's time to say goodbye to processed foods, those laden with artificial preservatives, additives, and sweeteners. Instead, prepare to welcome foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Next, consider your shopping habits. This step is critically important in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. When you step into a grocery store, it's like entering a labyrinth designed to entice you into making impulse purchases. The shelves are filled with packaged foods, sugary snacks, and processed items, all of which may seem like easy and convenient options, but these are far from ideal when it comes to your health. So how should you navigate this maze of unhealthy food options? The first key tip is to make a beeline for the perimeter. Why the perimeter, you may ask? The grocery store layout, more often than not, is designed in such a way that the outer edges or the perimeter is where you will find the fresh and wholesome foods. This area is typically stocked with options like colorful fruits and vegetables, lean meats, and nutritious dairy products. These are the real treasures in a grocery store. They offer a wealth of nutrients and are devoid of unhealthy additives and preservatives that are commonly found in the center aisles. These fresh foods form the backbone of what is often referred to as clean eating. What is clean eating? It's simply a diet that focuses on natural, unprocessed foods that provide your body with the nutrients it requires to function optimally. By sticking to these perimeter sections, you not only make healthier choices, but also manage to avoid the temptations lurking in the central aisles. These temptations often come in the form of processed foods filled with empty calories that contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Remember, every step you take towards the perimeter is a step towards better health and vitality. So make the conscious decision to beeline for the perimeter during your next grocery shopping trip. This is typically where the fresh produce, meats, and dairy products reside, the staples of clean eating. But what about when hunger strikes in between meals? This is a common concern for many of us. The thought of the next meal seems too far away, and we are often tempted to reach for unhealthy, processed snacks. But let me reassure you, there is no need to compromise on your health, or indeed taste buds. In the vast ocean of snack options, there exists an island of clean eating snacks, ready for your consumption. They are not just available, but are also easy to prepare, and even easier to enjoy. Almonds, for instance, are small, crunchy delights, packed with a powerful nutritional punch. They're a powerhouse of essential nutrients and provide a great combination of taste. And then we have Greek yogurt, thick, creamy, and loaded with protein. It's a versatile snack that you can enjoy plain or flavor with fresh fruits or honey. Speaking of fresh fruits, they are nature's candy, brimming with vitamins, fiber, and natural sugars that provide a healthy energy boost. And of course, we cannot forget hard-boiled eggs. These little protein bombs are easy to prepare, highly portable, and can be spiced up with a dash of salt and pepper, or your favorite seasoning. These are just a few examples of snacks that are both delicious and nutritious. With these options at your disposal, hunger in between meals is no longer a cause for worry, but a chance to nourish your body with clean, wholesome foods. Of course, it's crucial to remember that clean eating isn't just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Slow down and savor your meals. Chew thoroughly and enjoy the flavors of your food. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps you feel more satisfied. It's also worth noting that clean eating isn't about perfection. It's okay to have a treat now and then. The key is to make sure that these are treats, not daily indulgences. Lastly, remember to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is an essential part of any healthy eating plan. So there you have it. Starting clean eating can be as simple as making a few mindful changes to your shopping habits, meal preparation, and eating pace. In summary, clean eating is about choosing whole, unprocessed foods, shopping smarter, enjoying mindful eating, indulging in treats occasionally, and staying hydrated. While the journey might seem daunting at first, remember that each small step brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. The world of clean eating is waiting, so why not take that first step today? And don't forget, if you want more tips and tricks on how to lead a healthier lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to support you on your journey to wellness. Subscribe now